Hey there, welcome back to another brand new video from Ecom Reviews. Myself Shubhajit, and first of all, thank you so much guys for your love and support on my previous videos. So OnePlus has recently launched the base edition of the OnePlus Bullet Z neckband Bluetooth earphone, and in one word, it's just incredible. Why? You will get to know in this video.
But before that, let's quickly see what kind of functions and buttons do you get in these earphones. So these are the ear tips of the red color variant of the OnePlus Bullet Z, and here are the volume up and down button, and in the middle the play and pause button, and beside that the mic, and on the other side the OnePlus brand logo. And here is the charging port of these earphones. And these magnetic ear tips are basically act as on off button. If you put them close to each other, then it will be turned off, and if you move from each other, then it will be turned on. And this kind of cables you will get with these earphones, and you will get 2 pairs of extra ear tips with these earphones.
Number 1. The balance between the bass and the treble quality is so perfectly maintained. I have experienced a lot of earphones, but most of them fail in the treble quality because they have to produce that extra amount of bass. But here, thumbs up OnePlus.
Now let's quickly see the latency test of these earphones, and surprisingly the latency I found was very low on these earphones.
Number 2. In highs, mids and lows, whether it's a Punjabi song or a Bollywood or a rap or English song, anything you throw at these earphones, they will start to catch up those beats so perfectly that you will instantly start to enjoy that song. And you know what a perfect earphone is called? When you listen to any song and that real joy comes from within, that thing is present in these earphones. Number 3. Battery. Not a single time I was able to drain them to the 0%. If you charge these earphones up to 100%, then you will definitely get around 3 days of usage on an average of 5 hours daily. And you know what? You have to charge these earphones only for 10 minutes and you will get around this kind of battery backup. Number 4. The design and the build quality. The design is so much eye-catchy that anyone will look at you like this and will start to ask you like, what kind of earphones are you using, man? Yeah, I have experienced it in my real life. That's why I am sharing this with you. And the build quality. Yeah, I know the build quality has been downgraded from its predecessor, but it's not bad at all. It's made of full of plastic, but the plastic quality used is very good. And the band which will go around this side is also made of a very soft material, so it doesn't hurt you at all. And the fitness of the earbuds are also very good, whether you walk or run or you do your workout, they doesn't slip out of your ears, so that thing is very good. Number 5. The bass quality. Yes, it has that punchiness and that hardness on the bass that will literally start to shake your ears. Yeah, you can't compare these earphones with over-the-ear headphones because those headphones have larger size of drivers. So definitely it's not a good comparable thing. Yeah, all I can say is these are the best bass-centric Bluetooth earphone you can buy right now under rupees 2000. And if you want to buy it, then the purchase link is given in the description below. You can check it out from there. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked this video. If you liked, then hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then a subscription will be really helpful for me. So that's it for today guys. Sign out, Ecom Reviews.